Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a survival plan that you probably haven't heard of. That is the no winter survival plan. Some of you are looking at me like, huh? Well, in history, there have been years where there has not been a winter. They, record, going right from fall, long fall, oh, we're in spring. And they never really had a winter. It has happened several times, and it's well documented, so it means it can happen again. So what are you going to do if you get hit by a year without a winter? Well, I've been some of the channels I follow are down in Florida, and they say that during the winter time is when they are able. It's cool enough for them to actually grow a lot of food. Whereas in the summertime, it's so hot, it just kills a lot of the plants and stuff. And it just, it's very hard to grow anything substantial during the summertime. So if you're in an area like that and all of a sudden there is no winter and it's hot for, 18 months or 19 months or whatever, what are you going to do? Are you prepared to deal with, a year-long summer? All right, so that's something to think about. And I know up here, if we didn't have a winter at all, it really impact our water usage, because in the wintertime is when we get a lot of water that comes in the way of rain and snow, and it soaks into the ground and fills the aquifers. Well, if that doesn't happen, wells are going to go dry. People are going to get super thirsty. Animals are going to die. And so we have to have a plan for a no winter survival. So think about it, figure it out, calculate it. What if your area was affected by the previous years without a winter, and see what you need to do. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and try growing some food.